Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Brood X has the largest emergence of individuals for the 17-year cicada in the United States. Brood 23 of the 13-year cicada last emerged in West Tennessee in 2002, map 3. Brood 14 of the 17-year cicada emerges in 2008 and again in 2025, map 4.
Make your mark, take our lead.
This year will mark the re-emergence after 17 years of Brood X, or the Great Eastern Brood, of periodical cicadas. Those large, winged, kind of scary-looking but mostly harmless flying insects known for their almost deafening buzz.
Take our lead.
These cicadas are expected to re-emerge in 2021. The Brood 19, a 13-year cicada, emerged in May 2011 and is expected to make a comeback in 2024. Counties shaded on the map show nearly all of Middle Tennessee. Brood 14, a 17-year periodical cicada distribution, last emerged in May 2009.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.